So today we'll be working on the conditioning workout. So today मैं बताऊंगा आपको what is conditioning. Like conditioning क्यों करते हैं हमारी like full body workout इसलिए करते हैं ताकि conditioning आपकी body को पूरी अच्छे से बना दिया जाए like हर एक body parts के दौरान and also focusing on the cardio movement and also some increase your strength and stamina on your body, full body. So we'll be discussing with the warm up round. The first one we have that is foot fights. Just you're gonna tap it from your toes and just you're gonna run fast on the same place. The last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and stop. And the second one we have side to side shuffle. So how it looks from the side, you're gonna touch the ground and again move to the other side. Last 3, 2 and 1, relax. So we are done with the warm up round now of the conditioning workout. So now we'll start the main workout, that is the first one we have burpees. So you're gonna target on your cardiovascular endurance. So how it looks, first you'll be coming to a high plank now. So you'll be coming to a high plank now, drop your chest down, partial push-ups now, jump forward and jump up and clap over the head. Again, high plank, jump back, push-ups, jump forward, clap. The last one left now. So we are done with the first one, the conditioning workout, that is called burpees. The second one we have now, that is high knees. Again, it is gonna increase your strength and stamina. So how it looks, you'll be just bring your knees towards the chest and jump high on the same place. 3, 2, 1 and relax. So we are done with the second movement also. Now the third movement we have, that is frog jump. Again, it gonna works on a stamina. So how it looks, again you'll be coming to a high plank. This is called palms under the shoulder. Now jump forward beside your both palms. Deep squat, look forward, exhale. Jump back, again jump forward, exhale. Jump back and forward, done. So we are done with the third movement. And the fourth one we have, that is gonna target on your core. So and also for your full body conditioning. The fourth one movement name is mountain climber. So how it looks, first you'll be coming to again high plank. High plank. Now bring your knees toward the chest, the right one. Now you'll be going for the rotate reverse. Keep moving. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and stop. And the last movement name is, that is called star jump. So again it gonna works on your cardiovascular endurance. So how it looks, you'll be taking your stance, both feet joining together. Yes. Now take a deep squat. Try to touch your calf muscle. Now form your jump high and exhale and land in the same position. Again, jump high, land in the same position. Jump high, land in the same position. Last one. Okay, so we are done with the now all the movements. क्या कॉमन मिस्टेक हो सकता है, ऑल द मूवमेंट डूइंग. सो द फर्स्ट मूवमेंट, दैट इज बर्पीज. तो कॉमन मिस्टेक क्या है फर्स्ट के, सो यू विल कमिंग टू हाई प्लैंक में आ जाओ. यस. नाउ विल नॉट टच योर चेस्ट ऑन द ग्राउंड, यू विल कीप इन अ पार्शियल पुशअप्स, राइट. पार्शियल पुशअप्स करने. यस. नाउ द सेकंड कॉमन मिस्टेक, जंप अप. यस. यू विल नॉट लैंड इन योर टोज पे लैंड नहीं करोगे आप, यू विल लैंड ऑन योर हील्स. Yes, heels पे land करोगे. And we are done with the first one. Clear everyone? So the second one, that is we have high knees. So first we will stand up, and when you are doing jumping, make sure you bring your knees toward the chest, jump high. Don't go for the normal sport jump. Yes, you will not go for the sport jump. Clear? So you will bring your knees high and jump high. Perfect, nice, good. And the third one we have, that is frog jump. What is the common mistake while doing frog jump also? Again, come to a high plank now. Yes, now jump forward. Do not land on your toes. आप toes पे land नहीं करोगे. You'll be landing on your heels again. And also bring your legs beside your palm. Yes, don't bring like पीछे नहीं आने आपको, ठीक है? You will not bring your legs this much. Try to increase your flexibility. Cool. Now we are done with the third one also, and the fourth one we have now, that is mountain climber. Again, coming to high plank now. Coming to high plank, just bring your knees towards the chest. Yes, till chest you will bring your knees and then run fast one side to other side. What is the common mistake? You will not go for the half knees. थोड़ा सा आगे लाओ, बस ये नहीं करना है आपको, right? आप you will bring your knees towards the chest. Full range of motion will be there. And the last one we have, that is star jump. What is a common mistake while doing star jump? So first you'll be coming to a both the feet joining together, right? Now jump high, just land. Do not land in a shoulder width apart. You will be landing in a starting position. Both the joints, both the feet will be joining together, right? This is the common mistake. And try to land in a soft way. Okay? Otherwise, it will make your ankle hurt. So we are done with the conditioning workout today. So it will benefit your like full body conditioning, and also it will increase your endurance level. Like endurance level बहुत increase हो जाता है. Like what is that? That means like बहुत लंबे समय तक आप कोई भी exercise कर सकते हो. So that is the conditioning workout, right?
Like, share, subscribe for more such informative videos.